Welcome to the Inshus class. In this class, I am going to tell you how to find square from 11 to 20 without learning. 11 square. 11 square is 11 plus 1 is what? 12. 1 square. 121. 12 plus 2. It is 14. 2 square is 144. 13 plus 3 is 16. 3 square is 9. 169. 14 plus 4 is 18. 4 square you will get 18. 4 square 196. 15 square 15 plus 5 is 20. 5 square 25. So 225. Similarly, 16 plus 6, 22, 6 square, 22, 36, 256. 17 plus 7, 24, 7 square, 24 and 49, 289. 18 plus 8, 26, 8 square, 26, 64, 324. 19 plus 9, 28, 9 square, 28, 81, 361. 20 square is 400, everybody knows. That's it.